welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Dollar Tree DIY that deals with Valentine's Day. So I'm so excited to show you. What we're going to do is make a candy jar, but this time we're going to do it a little bit different. What you'll need is this little glass container that had this silver lid, and the silver lid looks like this. Okay, and then you're going to need this ring bell for a kiss. I love that. And then you're going to need a Dollar Tree glass candle holder, and we're going to turn it upside down to give it a little bit of height. And then I used the Valspar Project Perfect paint and primer and the gloss, and the color is Frosted Berry, and it just gives that really pretty pink color. And then I'm going to fill it with Hershey's Kisses. They are the chocolate truffle. They're dark chocolate with a chocolate melt-away on the inside. I think that's going to be delicious. Then you'll need a glue gun. And then I may or may not take some of these little stickers, one of these, I don't know which pack, if any, and then you'll need a glue gun. It's that simple. So I think what I'll do first is look and see if I want to put these stickers on here. So let's see which one, if any, I want to use. Because I want this to be just a little bit different than our normal jars we've been doing. And what I'm doing is just putting these on here, kind of like alternating them like that to give it a little bit of flair. But I think that's looking really cute so far. So when I get finished, I'll come right back. Okay guys, as you can see, I've just put them alternating the colors and up and down, and I think they're gorgeous. All right. Now all you have to do, and you'll have a very customized candy jar, is put you some glue right here on the bottom. And then I'm going to turn this upside down so I can try to get it more centered. And just press down. Then we're going to flip it upside down. That's going to be so cute. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put the kisses in. And as you can see, they are pink and dark as well. I think it's going to be gorgeous. I really do. I love it. And my jar, I've noticed some of these jars from Dollar Tree get to be a little not quite flat. Let me taste this truffle for you. You know I'll sacrifice for you all. Oh my. Oh my. That's really good. Now I'm just going to put a little bit of glue right here because I want to be able to remove this. Those kisses taste just like the Russell Stover candies. They're good. And then just try to center this as best you can and push it down. Now, like I always say, if someone's going to be handling this a lot, like picking it up, you will want to use E6000. But this is so cute. I'll bring it up here, and I'm going to set it in my kitchen. It's such a sweet and easy DIY for Valentine's Day. You could even give that as a gift to someone. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys. Hey guys, I thought I'd hop on really quick and show you what it looks like sitting in my kitchen. I think it is adorable. So I think it's really, really cute. So like I said, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.